I'm in Painted Prairie, one of Aurora's premier communities, to showcase our stunning Arrabelle plan. Let's take a look inside. Upstairs, a versatile loft provides additional living or home office. The owner's suite is spacious in size with an accompanying bath. Steps away from your front door, enjoy on-site amenities, like the spacious promenade park that accentuates natural environments of the Denver Metro Plains, shaded pavilions set for gathering, nature-inspired play areas, community gardens for all to enjoy, paved paths and rugged trails for walking and biking, and dog park for your furry friends. Plus, more to come. Interested in learning more? Contact us today.